Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I went to Wal Mart and they have got the clearance above all clearances. And I went to the little Walmart near my house, so I'm really hoping they're not getting ready to close it, because I mean, we have 3 Walmarts probably all within 20 minutes of my house, but this one is the closest, but it's also the smallest. Anyway, I got this beautiful fall pattern fabric, and it's like a tree with the leaves that are fall color for $3. As you can see, it's right much on there. It's more than a quarter pound. So, you know, the thing is over it. But it is a lot of fabric. So I picked this up, and then I got another, what looks to be fall. It's 1 yard for $3. And I'm not sure what this is, so let me check real quick, see if I can open this one. Probably not. No, not without a lot of work. I like the colors, and that's the reason I bought it. I hope it's not the same piece. If it is, I got a whole lot of that. Oh, this is definitely different. This is like a, okay. Real Tree. Northern Promotions. See some blue in here. Oh, this is beautiful. This is really beautiful. I don't, you know that phone is going to ping. Oh, I have to open this up, guys. This is beautiful. Look at this. This is gorgeous piece of fabric. And then you turn it over and you got the bottom of the duck going down in the water. This is gorgeous. This would make a great quilted wall hanging if I knew anybody that was into this sort of thing, but it's really pretty fabric and I really like it, so I will find a use for it. Oh, maybe I'll make something for the RV. Yeah, that might work. Okay, I'm talking to myself. Ignore that part. And then other than that, I got this for $2, which is, you know, this trim that we all use, and I'm doing a lot of pink for the holidays coming up, so this will go real well. For $2, and you get the whole skein. You can't beat it. And these little pumpkins were on sale for 50 cents. They're on clearance. Why are they clearancing out the fall stuff now? I don't know. Kind of worried. I hope my store is not closing. And then, oh, I got 2 of these in the clearance aisle for $1 each. And y'all know I'm going to shabby these bad boys up. But I was shocked to see them for $1 each. So they're normally no price on them. Okay, I don't know what they normally are, but they're normally more than $1 each. And everything that I bought just about was in the clearance section. We bought some okay, I got cheesecloth for $1.50. And we use this in crafting too, guys. For those of you that are not crafters watching, we use a lot of this in crafting. And these were in the clearance. It's 50 invitation envelopes. And these are the peel and stick. And I paid 25 cents for them. With 25 cents, yeah, 25 cents for 50 of them. And I looked, and they're all in there. They have a lot of them. So, I bought 5 of these, and it's an index card box, And if you guys have seen my journaling cards, I make journaling cards out of index cards and decorate them. So what I thought I would do for the holidays is make up some and put them in here and send them out as Happy Mails. I know it's not very Christmassy looking box, but I'm a shabby chic kind of person, so it goes well with me. This is the banners I was telling everybody that they have, and they're like normally $3.47, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pennants on this banner. So I think, like I said, they're normally $3.47, and today I got them for $1.50. So I got 2 of those, and I'll make those into Christmas gifts for someone. And then they have these. This one was 50 cents. And this one was $0.25. Like I said, I don't know why they have all their fall stuff on clearance unless they are getting ready to close the store. And I did ask one of the sales ladies, and she said nothing she knew of, so I don't know why they have it. And then I got another one of the pumpkins. And let's see, oh, these weren't on clearance, but I got those. And I got another pattern that wasn't on clearance. Let's see. This wasn't on clearance, but I got it to make a, stockings out of for this Christmas. Because after all, everybody loves the little red truck. So, yeah, I got this for some Christmas stockings. And I put it on quilting. You know, quilt backing. And I got this. And this was on clearance. And I got all of this. And it's like 1 3/4. And I paid $1.10 for it. So it was on clearance. A lot of the fabric at this Walmart was on clearance. So I was real happy to get this, and this is also going to be mostly on Christmas stockings. And that's it. That is all I picked up at the clearance at Walmart. And, you know, I am all about, I mean, everybody says, wow, Kathy goes to all these online sales and she spends so much money, but I'm all about saving money. So what I spend on the online sales, really it's nobody's business but mine and the seller, but, you know, since everybody has an opinion about it, I'm still saving money. I'm not paying full price for anything. So, this is it. This is the haul. And get in there and check the clearances. And, you know, they have a clearance aisle on all Walmarts, but not all clearances are on that aisle. Get in there and look for those hidden clearance items, because the fabrics were all on the end aisle in the craft section. The fall stuff, I swear it was in the school supply aisle. And, let's see, what else was it that I found in a weird location? Oh, I got the boys some shirts today and they were, you know, the button-down polo shirts. And I paid $1.50 each for them, but they were on a table in the girls section. And they were boy shirts. So, well, I'm not going to say they were in the girls section. They were in the back of the girls section, next to where the strollers and stuff are. So they had a lot of children's clothes back there, mostly girls, but it was anywhere from 50 cents to $1.50. And it was, you know, good stuff. And for some reason, even though we live in Florida, when the winter months come in, somebody in the corporate office switches the air conditioners off in our Walmart stores, and it is killer to go in there. And, well, they do in the little one nearest my house. And also, they bring in winter clothes that nobody in Florida is ever going to wear. So, yeah. I'm hoping my store's not going out of business, but if they do, I'll probably get a whole lot more good buys. But guys, get in there and check. Don't just look at the clearance aisle they have and say, okay, well, that's all they have on clearance. Hit up every section. Because if you go, they're starting to do a lot like Target, and they will put things on the end aisles nearest the wall, and you just take your cart and walk up that whole aisle, and you're going to find clearance items. They had a lot of books on clearance. They had a lot of DVDs on clearance, which I wasn't interested in. And they were in the center aisle. What else was it? Oh, they had 2 rows of food on clearance. So, you know, like canned goods and stuff. And I think that was about all I did see, but that's not to say that's all there was. So, don't forget, don't just look at the clearance aisle. Go around the store and look at that little yellow sign. And sometimes it's really little, so you won't see it. But yeah, check out the stores because they have hidden clearance items in every Walmart I've ever been to. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.